Array Unshift method is used to add one or more items to the start of a given array. Let's create an example. I have created an array with 3 names. Now, let's add a new name to it using the Unshift method. Our names array now has 4 items, because Unshift method added a new item to the start of our array. We can add as many items as we want using the Unshift method. Let's add a few more names. The important thing to point out is that the Unshift method does not create a new array, but instead mutates the array that it is called on. If we store the result of Unshift method into a variable, then we will get the length of our array after items were added to it.